A great way of earning money online is through affiliate programs, or sometimes called partner programs. And the idea is that you promote services that you already use. Now, most people are aware about Amazon, and so if you are talking about microphones that you use or cameras that you use and things like that, but there is also a great opportunity for affiliate revenue. Even if you don't have many subscribers on your YouTube channel, there's plenty of chances for affiliate revenue using services that you already use. And so what I'm going to show you here is how you would get started with promoting your affiliates. Of course, the first thing is you've got to look up to see, is there actually an affiliate program? And what I've learned about this from affiliate programs, I'm especially grateful to Primal Video. So Justin and Mike Brown and the team at Primal Video are just wonderful at helping you to grow your YouTube channel. So initially what you do is you want to investigate, is there an affiliate program? And you can look that up on their website. It may be called a partner program. You also look at services that you're already using, that you're already happy with, or that you can learn very quickly and that you would be happy to promote. First, you want to get the initial setup. After you've done the investigation, there's the setup, and then you do an initial promotion once you're all set up with how they're going to pay you and so on, and then you might do some ongoing promotions. So in this video, I'm just going to give you some ideas of how you might do each of those. So in the setup, well, first there is, obviously, after you have found out that they do have an affiliate program and that it is something that you'd be happy to promote, then you can apply for that affiliate program. And once that gets approved, okay, we'll check that box. So what I'm really doing here is keeping track of different affiliate programs that I'm already part of. And then you get the link. They give you a custom link, and anybody who uses that link to buy their program, usually within a certain time frame, then you will get some commission. And very often they may have a free program. People will use your link to buy the free program, and then eventually they may become a paying customer, and that's when you get paid. So you would receive the link. I've done that for each of these. And then share the link. Well, that's what I'm doing right now. I've got the link to each of these in the description for this video. So ConvertKit is all about email automation so that you can get people onto an email list so that you can offer them value without you being dependent on social media or on the YouTube algorithm. You can share the link, or you can share it also through email and through social media and so on. So I've got those links for Primal Video, and I'm going to share those links in the description to this video. Then you should go onto their website usually and grab the assets. By that I mean logos, fonts. They've got certain colors that they use. And so you can see that in this spreadsheet here, in this Google Sheet, I've actually used the colors of the different companies, okay? You can get those assets, and that will make it really easy if you are starting to promote them. You can include those assets. There are all different rules and regulations, but you can include those logos as part of your, for example, of your video. You've got to get permission to do that, but they will usually grant you that permission. So you're getting the brand asset. So I've done that. If I were to become an affiliate for some other service, then I would just create a column here. This is a good way of me keeping track. Now, I need to learn about the features because I want to talk about the features so I can promote the features, right? So I need to learn about the features. That could involve watching some videos. It could mean speaking to somebody from the company and asking them, maybe over a Zoom call or something, and asking them, tell me what's the main use, what's the main benefit, the main features, the main advantages, the main benefits from different things that you're promoting. So let me speak about Primal Video. I've spoken about ConvertKit. So Primal Video is just a great way of you learning in a really systematic way how to grow your YouTube channel. And in fact, I'm really indebted to the team at Primal Video for how they have shown me through their amazing material about all kinds of aspects of what is the YouTube algorithm, how to create videos, how to find topics that people are going to search for. There's a whole lot of other wonderful things that they do, and how to check your analytics and how to improve your videos and so on. Really how to turn a business, how to create YouTube into a business. And PickFu I'll speak about in a moment, so you learn those features. And then they may already have some promotional material. They will usually be in the form of small videos, short videos and so on, so that you don't have to go and create it all yourself. You can share that promotional videos, for example, and say, I use ConvertKit for my email automation, and have a read of this article, and I've included my affiliate link in there. So I haven't done that for Primal Video. I've only just become their affiliate. And for PickFu, I have watched some of their promotional videos. So now the next step is really doing the initial promotion. So, okay, so you've got the link and you can share that link, but what is it that's going to drive people even to look at your link? Well, that's where we get to the initial promotion and then the ongoing promotion. And now I can enhance each of these, but first of all, I might have an explanation video. So I've done that for PickFu. I definitely haven't done it for Primal Video yet, and I haven't done it in a big way for ConvertKit. So I'm going to leave that one blank. So it's really just, hey, here's an introduction to this software. Here are the sort of circumstances that you might like to use it. So PickFu as an example. So PickFu allows you to do some really fast user testing and to get market feedback super fast, as in like within 45 minutes I did one. I got 50 responses asking, do people prefer to learn via video, to learn software over video, or would you rather have an article and with some screenshots in it? Which way would you prefer to learn? And many people preferred one, many preferred the other, some preferred both. And so, especially if it's a demo video of, hey, here is how I do this step by step, then so that was PickFu, really, really wonderful. Now, then also you might like to say, here is how I do the initial setup, okay, of ConvertKit and of, well, Primal Video, if that's applicable. It's actually not software that I'm using here, but here is the initial setup. And so it's just a tour, a tour video of here is what's available. And here is how to get started with using this yourself. And then PickFu, I've certainly done that. I've done that for a couple of videos. Once you've done those videos, are you kind of just done? Well, yes, your video there might explain, hey, this is how to use it, here's how to set it up. But you can also enhance that more and get more potential revenue, affiliate revenue, by doing an ongoing promotion. These things might be, for example, a comparison video. So I might compare ConvertKit and MailChimp, or ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign, or ConvertKit and Drip, which is better. So too, I could do a Primal video and I could do a comparison video between Primal and learning it yourself, or between Primal Video and some of the other many programs that are around that help people to grow their YouTube channel. Maybe Think Media, for example, or Nick Nimmin. And then so too, I could do a comparison video between PickFu. So remember, that was the one for sharing, for doing split testing, to be able to say, well, which title, which headline do you prefer So that was PickFu. And so I could do a comparison video there. I haven't done one yet, between that and maybe some other polling software or polling tool. Now, other potential ideas is that I could do a new demo video. So I've done my setup demo video, but now I do a new one. Okay, so here's how I set up my first campaign on ConvertKit, for example, my email campaign. I'm going to do a new one, and I'm going to show off maybe some other feature or do a new demo. And so I actually haven't done any of these ones yet, but these are all potential videos that I could create to generate more leads, to generate more clicks on my affiliate link. Okay, and you could do this for Primal Video, and you could do this for PickFu as well. So these are all different ways of generating more income through your affiliate links. Now, if you want to learn more, then subscribe to my channel. And if you want to, I really am very indebted to Primal Video and the guys there. And so please have a look at their amazing video, their amazing channel, and click on my affiliate link if you decide to subscribe to their monthly program, the Primal Video Accelerator program. It's really highly recommended. So that's it from me, and that's how I am using YouTube to generate more affiliate revenue. Let me know in the comments whether you have started with getting affiliate revenue, with setting yourself up for affiliate revenue using YouTube.